Finance Accounting for Beginners: Basics of Financial Accounting. In this Finance Accounting for Beginners, you will certainly discover how to take care of accounts and also financial deals to operate an effective company. This tutorial includes tons of interactive exercises to assist you to develop monetary accounts. See to it to take them. It likewise takes care of reporting this information to stakeholders outside the organization, such as capitalists as well as creditors that are the crucial, primary recipients of the information. Objectives. The goals of finance accounting for can be put in 4 groups, as complies with. Record monetary deals as and when they occur, bookkeeping, so that the data can be evaluated for preparing monetary declarations. Determine profit or loss, to make it possible for monitoring to take course correction strategies if needed. Ascertain the economic toughness of the company by determining its assets and also liabilities. About Finance Accounting for Beginners Certification. Finance Accounting for Beginners certification course will enhance your understanding of the basic principles of financial accounting. We'll start with a reminder of basic accounting principles like double entry bookkeeping. Building on this, you'll learn how to apply accepted accounting techniques to prepare a perfect set of financial statements for your business. The course includes an interactive case study in which we develop a full set of accounts from first principles. Significance of Finance Accounting for Beginners certification in 2020. Gaining Finance Accounting for Beginners is a huge step towards boosting your marketability and professional advancement as a specialist in this area. Benefits of gaining Finance Accounting for Beginners certification. Increasing your odds of getting hired. Reducing your chances of getting terminated during discharges. Taking full advantage of the marketability of your ability. Raising your salary. Offering professional reliability for you as well as your firm. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a Finance Accounting for a Beginner's certificate course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Finance Accounting for Beginners exam preparation courses. Finance Accounting for Beginners training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/